Is that your blankie?
Get arrested. Boss get put down. Tremors of impact shook my arm. Blood splashed my face. Whatever was left of Walter Kovacs died that night with that little girl.
Aww.
From then on, there was only Rorschach. Dr. God didn't kill that little girl. Fate didn't butcher her. Destiny didn't feed her to those dogs. God saw what it is.
Good night, Juan Carlos. Good night. Buenas noches. Where's Juan Carlos? Where did he go? Where is he? Where is he? Oh my goodness, there's this animal. Daddy, where's Juan Carlos?
You know what? I'm pretty famous too. Ain't that right? That's right. You know, maybe I could...
Peekaboo! Ah, I see you.